Samantha Menjola Villarin, 25, Ciudad Hangkat, Balogan.
Nakitunganan uran ha akong ginaaman. Ati ako mga mata.
She is wearing a piece that honors the resilient San Bartholomew Church of Catbalogan City. This creation, fashioned by Sanjan Guinness, features 3D empire details of the church's facade, along with 3D butterfly sleeves. The belt is adorned with crystals and gemstones, and the graphic lines on the gown represent the vast land of Catbalogan. The blue fabric symbolized the calm sea current of Magueda Bay. This masterpiece is a powerful statement of faith, heritage, and the enduring resilience of the people of Catbalogan. That's candidate number 9, Queen Sam Villarin.